Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So, in the add-ons, we have the 800 plus Google Font Pack, which is included with all websites. It's a free add-on. Where can you find it? This pack's applied automatically if you go to Settings, Design Settings, and then within the first tab, if you look at the main design, and you've got a few of these sections dotted about the settings area. But if you go into the first tab, you can see you've got, you can search font styles and you've got your lists of fonts that appear when you click on the drop downs. So that is your font pack, and that comes with all brilliant directory websites. And as I say, it's a free add-on. So I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.